Guess what, y'all? Came out this morning and our okra has a flower. Isn't that beautiful? I didn't realize they flowered. It's that beautiful. They are gorgeous. Look, I got one right here, done curled up, but she's there. But the flowers are pretty. Learn something new every day. Okay, I got a few Roman tomatoes. You see my little Roman tomatoes back there? So he's gonna pull that one, and there's another one on the opposite side right here. I don't know if y'all can see it back up, and there you go. He hiding right back there. So I got two more right there. My pepper. I got one of my peppers. Let me zoom back out for y'all. Just a little bit. See my pepper? Peppers are coming in over here. So we're gonna let that one do what it do. Let's see what else. Of course, my tomatoes. I got another lemon boy that's just about ready. Probably between now and tomorrow, right here, we'll pull. And we did taste, some things taste so good. So, of course, the lemon boys are definitely staying on rotation. Yeah, that done fell over from the rain, that terrible storm last night. I got a bunch of peppers on here, but so y'all can see. Let me come around on the other side so y'all can see what I see. He's got the bigger ones on here. Going out a little more. That's one there. We got like 3 or 4 right there. Got a bunch of little ones. That's how big it is if I put it in my hand. I know the leaves getting in the way, but that's what it's looking like. But they're big, so they're just about ready. We're gonna be pulling those off here in a minute. Other little tomatoes, look at them. All right, let's see what this squash and zucchini looking like. There we go, got a baby one right there. And another one right next to it. On that one, and we got one right here coming, zucchinis. So these are all zucchinis. Okay, let's come over here. This is my lavender dime back. Let's see what this one is doing. I don't see anything coming up on this squash, but nothing there. Remember, I had one back here. I had two. One of them I told you I wasn't gonna make it, so that one got knocked off. But I don't know what's going on over here right now. Hold on. This one ain't doing well. We're gonna have to pull some of these leaves off. Yeah, ain't nothing on that one. But back here, let's see what we got going on. Got, oh, there it goes. Got that one coming right there. Okay, and my peppers, my banana peppers peppering, so let's harvest these off. Got that one. We got these two. Throw them in there. What else? We got any more? That one's not quite ready. Well, nope, it's ready. It came off. Let's see if the other one back here is giving me anything. This one, it's not giving me anything. Let me see what's going on. But it ain't ready yet. All right. Rest of these, we're going to give it some fertilizer. We're going to fertilize everybody today, give them some fertilizer food and boost my production because production is low. And we need for our harvest to increase. Let's see what these cucumbers are doing. Whole plant is not looking good. And we just fed it because I looked up about the spots and stuff on it and drying out. So he's going to get the cucumber up back here. I don't know if y'all can see it back there. That one's got to be pulled. And she is almost ready. She's not quite ready. I'm going to give her a couple more, another day or two. And then we got this one down here, which I'll probably have him pull those two. So he's going to get the little snips and he's going to pull those two for me. Baby, I need you to get the snips. So you can pull those two, this one and that one back here. And I probably need to harvest some stuff. Like my dill is growing like crazy. So we're gonna cut some of this back. So we're gonna cut all this back right here on the dill. The two cucumbers, the one back up there in the back. And then the one at the bottom on the same thing. Okay. That one. And the one down here. So this is one of them. What she looking like, and here's the other one. Our peaches came off, so they're ready. So it's in the house. So we're gonna show you that. Do a just separate video of me eating it or cutting it open or whatever. What you said?
See the ones over here growing?
Yeah, I'm showing them. They got one down there. We got one right there growing, the cucumbers. The other one is right back there. Even though my leaves are looking horrible, they're getting beat up from this heat. I don't see any more with it. I know there was a cucumber back over here that wasn't doing well either. That went way back. There you go. Let me see if I can show y'all what I see. If I can get it in there. There you go. See that one? It ain't doing well, but so I'll probably pull it. So I don't think she's gonna make it. All right, you gotta get those Roman tomatoes out of there for me. Okay, we are over here. Let's see what happened. What's going on? Let me get inside. Corn is beginning to, I guess, do whatever it's supposed to be doing. I have no idea. It's my husband's project. But my dill is doing good. My watermelon plant right down here. I don't see no. I see one flower, or two, three. Okay, it's just not doing bad. The dill is coming up, which is good. We got dill, so I got to be careful where I step. I was worried about the chocolate mint in here, but now it's beginning to. I guess once it rooted and got it established, now it's doing better. So let's see if I got any blackberries I can pick this morning. And I do. And we shall. Not as big as I want them to be, but I will take what I can get. I got 3. Let's be careful stepping over. Got some that are still red, so they're not quite ready yet. So I'm only getting 3 off of y'all this morning. Okay, pumpkins are doing well back there. Potato plant is doing excellent. My blueberries, yeah, no more blueberries. I don't know. I figure I'll be able to get a few more, but no. And y'all, I have not yet treated this grape bush. It has a bunch of babies. Let me show y'all. Beetle babies or something coming up on it. And I have to figure out what to do. You see all the little black things? Look, up underneath. I gotta get my brain around trying to figure that out real quick. I have a carrot coming right there. This one right back here is my cantaloupe. Let's see what's going on with this cantaloupe. I should have had somebody on here. I thought I did. Oh, there we go. Right there. Or is this the watermelon one? I gotta look. But there it goes. I want to say that's my cantaloupe though. It's my cantaloupe right there coming in. This is my other grape. And lima beans. I gotta get a stick for her. She is doing what she do. Trying to find something to hang on to. Lima beans are coming in. And this is our little watermelon patch in the cage. And we got actually a couple coming in. I don't know if y'all can see it right. Let me see if I can pick it up right there without disturbing it too much for y'all. Hold on, let me back out. Right there. Right there. Look at it. Watermelon. And then we got another one right here. So that's 2. There's probably a couple more. Oh, there's another one on the other side. Let me take y'all. Let me pull this back so y'all can see the other one I saw. And he is right here. Hey, look at him right there hanging. He's hanging right here. So, yeah, I'm going to show you the other ones. I don't know if I'm getting it good for y'all. Hold on. Can y'all see it? Let me see if I can lift him up out of there. So he's sitting on top of the cage. There he goes. So he's right there. Now let me show the hubby the other ones. Babies are looking good. Upon further inspection of our watermelon, we found this moth. Where is he at? Wait, point your hand. He's right there. I don't know if y'all can see him. Yeah, he got to get off of there because they can mess with your watermelon. So he's going to try and get him off. He got him. And he's no more. Yep, we can't have nobody eating this up. This is doing really good. Okay, so today's harvest was all of this lemon balm, which I am going to dry, and it's going to be my tea. 2 cucumbers. I did pull one of the peppers. This is another one of my herbs. Poor thing already done for seasoning. The dill. And I got some basil down in here. I got another one. Let me move. Some parsley. Here's the parsley. We got plenty of parsley. That's some more basil. We got 5 banana peppers, 3 Roman tomatoes, 1 sun sugar, and 3 little blackberries. So that was today's harvest. I ain't mad at it.